Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by granting notification access and stopping any auto-deletes so new receipts are captured. Open Settings, go to Apps or Notifications, and enable notification access for the history app you'll use. Once done, open WhatsApp and force a manual backup to Google Drive or local storage if you plan to restore later. Make sure you have storage space and that the account used for backup is the one on your device, because the next steps rely on captured notifications or an intact backup. Next, decide the route, notification history or backup restore. If notifications were enabled, open the History app and filter by WhatsApp. You'll see message text that arrived before deletion. If you prefer full chat recovery, uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall, and when prompted restore from Google Drive or local backup. Make sure the backup date predates the deletion. Once restored, open the chat to view messages. If you used local files, move MSG Store, DB, Crypt12 into the WhatsApp databases. Finally, confirm recovered messages and their timestamps so you know what was restored. Then create an updated backup so you don't lose them again. Make sure to re-enable normal notification settings afterward. If nothing appeared, it's likely notifications were off or no backup existed, and recovery won't be possible. If you hit errors, double-check notification permission, the Google account used for backups, available storage, and file names like MSG Store, DB, Crypt12 before retrying the restore process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.